Good morning. Merry Christmas 2017. The children are beginning to gather to participate in the annual tradition of opening Christmas presents.
You said I'm married to be like on that own, I'll trouble with me out aside.
That's mommy and all the children down there.
Christmas is to spend it with you.
Let me take a picture before the presents get devoured. Or let me capture it before it gets devoured. You all look like a bunch of young lions ready to tear into the prey. Our picture shall be perfected.
on your hair.
No, I said that. No.
My wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend.
Pictures, videos, and everything. And I'm the official photographer.
Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols and the air, by the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true, that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas is spending it with you.
Okay. Does it? Do we need to move the tables? Are they in the way? No. Okay, that's fine, right? Okay, tables are fine where they are.
Are you sure?
No, it's okay. Is everybody here? Okay. Gigi.
It's too close to the tree. And you guys
What?
are going to be fighting.
What?
They're going to be fighting to get to the... Watch out.
I remember
Talk to Lance.
last Christmas I jumped on Cena because he had my present.
Yeah, you did.
When a child is born.
That's what she did to me.
Zena, Daddy didn't give the start commands. He can't do it.
That's just cute.
I think I'm going to go where I have the best view. I think it's up on the banister, right? And that's where the order is going to come from.
No, stop touching it. Daddy didn't give the start command.
Okay. December 25, 2017. It's Christmas morning, and we are ready in the Amanza house to rumble. So get ready to open the presents. On the command, go.
Hold up. I need me a trash bag. Hold up.
Mommy!
Hold on.
No, Mom! I'm taking it.
Stop.
If you pull that down. Yesterday you were saying you don't like this. No. And if you pull that down, I said he was
When a hedgehog.
and he's like this. What you used to do in the house. I can't wait to get the hot seat. I just can't wait to play. Wait, Mommy, did you say alright, go ahead? Go for it.
Gigi, get close to the presents.
Does anybody know?
What is she? Look at what she said. She doesn't know what's about to happen. Okay, she doesn't need to be in the rush. Okay, open the presents.
Make sure you guys find Gigi's present.
This is my, I already know where mine is. I just know an idea and I want to just, no, just use that. Yeah, it's my baby. Is it supposed to be Tiana? Hey, baby. It just says, I think it says baby yet. I knew this was the white one. I knew this. At least you be like, here, Mommy. At least let's see. Yay! This was the white one. Yeah, what's the me again? Ready? Go.
What do you want people to have on?
Wow, you're gonna wait. I'm capturing everything.
Alright, give that to Gianna and help her open it a little bit. Okay, Gigi. Yay, another one. Okay. Get this one apart. Yay, Gigi, got a baby doll. I'm walking trapped in here for a while. This is another one of Gaia's baby doll? No! Another one of... This is mine. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, yeah.
I think everybody should make a pile.
Gigi, do you like it? Oh, no. I'm going to keep all my toys. You want this?
This is destruction money. Like what do you have? These are all yours here on this ottoman.
Well, good for you guys. I'm waiting for it. Yay, I finally got it. Got what? Your rope? I'm going to come see this. Come here over there.
Just pull it out.
I'm going to look.
Don't undo the buckle, sweetheart. Just pull it out.
Okay, Cozy, pass me my car. And my shoes.
The buckles are stuck.
And it's drinking the baby milk.
Oh.
But don't worry. I'll open this little box. Yeah, they have another one. That's over by the fireplace. I'm keeping this thing. I'm keeping all mine. No one's getting to touch this. The biggest box over there.
Hey guys, got a new tablet.
Nice.
I got the tablet also.
Yay, Super Patrick got one too. And I have ear candy. Underwear,
Yay! That's gold. Gold. Whoa. Ariana Grande.
I go where I hear excitement.
Mommy! I had my suspicion. But I didn't think you were gonna get these ones.
I guess mommy gets all the credit. Daddy is just a passerby in all of this.
At least I got
I think you should each bring your presents out and make a pile so that I can stop the camera.
Here goes Steve.
Are you done opening your presents or bringing them out? Okay, there are many other things to charge too. So get the presents out.
Christmas.